Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript ES6 tutorial on freeCodeCamp. This one's called Use Arrow Functions to Write Concise Anonymous Functions. So how we can write functions in JavaScript is like this: declaring a variable, and then having that variable equal to a function, and doing something with the function and what the function does. And the reason why you want to create a function this way is that this is used as a argument inside another function. So you see how we have a function that goes like this. You can put functions inside of this parameter as a callback function as well. So this is why it'll be useful to write functions like this. And with ES6, there's a newer way we can write this function, and that is by using an arrow function syntax like this. So instead of a function, we delete that and put a equal sign and greater than on the right side of it. And there's even more of a shortcut as well. So if there's only one line of code with no function body and only returns a value, we can omit this curly brackets and also the return and just have it like this. And generally, shorter the code, people would prefer it. So for this exercise, it wants us to rewrite the function assigned to the variable magic, which returns a new date, to use arrow function syntax. Also, make sure nothing is defined using the keyword var. So we can do const magic, and that could be, we can just follow the syntax function, arrow function, and we don't need the curly brackets, and we don't need return, and put that in one line. And there we go. Thank you so much.